Hi, Everett Scott here for the Toon Moose Garden blog. Wednesday, February 10th, 2010, and it's deja vu all over again as we are in the midst of a tremendous blizzard, the kind of snowstorm that I haven't seen since I was a kid, really. You can see here the potager and garden are all completely snowed under. This is a back view of the garden and the house. Even little Jasper here. Hi there. Yes.
Good boy.
Say hi, John.
Hi, John.
So, it's going to be a brief one because it's too nasty to stay out here for very long. We're going to go inside for tea now. Bye for now.